Welcome students, welcome to the video class. Today we'll do some question based on this Coulomb's law. ठीक है? The first question is, two charges Q1 and Q2 are placed separated by r distance. If the force on charge Q1 is F is equal to 3I minus 4J minus 5K, find the force on Q2. Again I am saying two charges Q1 and Q2 are separated by r distance. Two charges, this is Q1 Q2, are separated by r distance. ठीक है? If the force on charge Q1, the force on charge Q1 is this, that means force on charge Q1 तो कौन है F12. So F12 is given, that is equal to, that is 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 5K cap. ठीक है? Find the force on Q2. तो force on Q2 कौन होगा? That is F21. तो F21, that is the force on charge Q2. हमें जानी चाहिए F12 is equal to minus F21. तो F21 कौन होगा? Minus F12. The two forces are equal and opposite. Equal magnitude, opposite direction. तो कहता हूँ that is minus F2 is how much? Sorry, F12 कहते हैं that is 3I cap minus 4J cap minus 5K cap. ठीक है? That is equal to minus 3I cap plus 4J cap plus 5K cap. So this is the force on charge Q2 due to Q1. That is minus 3I cap plus 4J cap plus 5K cap. ठीक है? The next question is, two charges Q1 and minus Q2 are separated by r distance. Again, two charges Q1 and minus Q2 are placed separated by r distance. A third charge Q3 is placed at the middle of the two charges. At the middle of the two charges. Find the net force on charge Q3. Again, two charges Q1 and Q2, this is Q1, this is minus Q2, are placed separated by r distance. ठीक है? A third charge Q3 is placed at the middle of the two charges. Middle means तो distance कहता हूँ that is r by 2. A third charge Q3 is placed at the middle of the two charges. Find the net force on the charge Q3. तो Q3 ऊपर हम force बाहर करें. तो Q1 Q3 are like charges. They will repel each other. Positive, they will repel each other. तो repel means Q1 Q3 को repel करियो in this direction. Again, the two charges are like charges, positive charges. They will repel each other. तो Q1 हमें force कहाँ पर बाहर करूँ? Q3 ऊपर. We are finding the force on Q3. तो Q1 Q3 को repel करियो को direction? In this direction. तो F1 is equal to how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is Q1, this is Q3 by r by 2 रो whole square. ठीक है? Okay. Q2 Q3 को नीचे attract करियो unlike charges. Q3 and minus Q2 are unlike charges. They will attract each other. तो Q3 को minus Q2 निजे आड़ attract करिवो को direction in this direction. Again, Q3 को minus Q2 निजे आड़ attract करिवो because we are finding the force on Q3. तो direction कौन होगा? In this direction. तो magnitude कितना होगा? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge कहते हैं Q3 Q2 So listen, one thing I just want to say you. So like charges, they repel each other. Force or direction this. ठीक है यदि अनलाइक चार्जेस थिबे तो अट्रैक्शन हम किंतु फोर्स रो मैग्नीट्यूड रे हमें प्लस माइनस लिखिबा नहीं बिकॉज़ हमें फर्स्ट डायरेक्शन रिप्रेजेंट कर दी ड्यू टू माइनस तो फोर्स रे हमें ओनली द मैग्नीट्यूड पार्ट नबा ठीक है वेक्टर फॉर्म रे विल राइट प्लस एंड माइनस किंतु दिस जेतोला हमें मैग्नीट्यूड पार्ट लिखुचे डायरेक्शन हमें देइचे तो ओनली मैग्नीट्यूड पार्ट लिखियो तो मैग्नीट्यूड पार्ट कते हबो दिस q3 and this is q2 divided by this is r by 2 रो होल स्क्वायर एठी मु माइनस लिखिली नहीं बिकॉज़ इट इज ओनली द मैग्नीट्यूड पार्ट एंड डायरेक्शन हमें देई देइचे यदि वेक्टर फॉर्म लिखिबा तो सेथरे यू कैन ऐड दिस माइनस साइन किंतु जेतले मैग्नीट्यूड लिखुचे कूलम्स लॉ रो हमें कोन करे ओनली विल राइट द मैग्नीट्यूड पार्ट डायरेक्शन हमें दे दीजिए ठीक the two forces are in same direction तो net force कौन होगा net force is equal to that is F1 plus ठीक है so that is 1 F1 कितना है that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught this is Q1 Q3 divided by R square by 4 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q3 Q2 this is Q2 Q3 divided by R square by 4 ठीक है 4 टा ऊपर पड़े एडे 4 पड़े नले 4 को 4 कटि छु ठीक है तो कटिकल रहला केते 1 by pi epsilon naught तो एठी रहला केते दैट इज R square भी कॉमन ठीक है तो वी कैन राइट this is again I am saying this 4 को 4 cancel है जो 4 को 4 cancel तो common form है that is 1 by pi epsilon naught this is q1 q3 by r square plus q2 q3 by r square so this is the net force on the charge q3 ठीक है the question is two charges 4e and e 4e and e are placed a distance apart ठीक है where should a third charge q be placed on the line joining the charges so that it may be in equilibrium again this is two charges 4e and e 4e and e are placed a distance apart ठीक है where should a third charge q be placed कोठी हमें third charge q को रखिबा on the line joining the charges on the line joining the charges हमें third charge कोठी रखिबा so that it will be in equilibrium equilibrium means net force on the charge is 0 so that means net force on the charge is 0 or it is in equilibrium ठीक है so let us say the charge q is placed x distance from 4e x distance from 4e तो यदि 4e ru x distance है that is from e केते distance होगा that is a minus x कहीं की because total distance is a यदि a to the distance x वाला this becomes a minus x ठीक है okay तो next is force बाहर करें on the charge q तो all these are positive charges they will repel each other ठीक है okay let us say this the force on charge q due to this 4e is f1 let us say f1 तो 4e q को रिपल करियो को डायरेक्शन this in this direction magnitude कौन होगा 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge 4e and this is q 4e and this is q डिवाइडेड बाय डिस्टेंस केते अछि x, तो x स्क्वायर ठीक अछि। ओके, तो चार्ज E will repel charge Q in this direction. Let us say this is F2. So F2 रो magnitude केते हो, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is charge Q, sorry, E, and this is Q. This is E, this is Q, divided by distance is a minus x रो whole square ठीक है। The two charges are opposite in nature ठीक है। यदि okay, the charge Q will be in equilibrium when net force on the charge is 0. Net force टा जेतବେଳେ 0 हबो कोन, then we can say charge Q is in equilibrium. Net charge केते हबो, that is दीटा charge अछि, तो net charge केते हबो F1 minus F2 or F2 minus F1. Choose, let us say this is F1 minus F2 is equal to 0. That means F1 is equal to F2 ठीक है। वैल्यू पुट करें तो F1 is how much, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 4e cube x square, 4eq divided by x square ठीक है। and F2 कहते हैं, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, this is e into q divided by a minus x whole square ठीक है। okay, तो this cut, e cut, q cut ठीक है। तो रहिला केते, तो दैट मींस 80 रहिला 4 तळे x स्क्वायर, 80 रहिला केते, दैट इज ओनली 1 by a minus x रो होल स्क्वायर। तो यू टू फाइंड x ठीक है। तो दैट मींस यदि हम एटा करिबा a minus x रो होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय x स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 by 4, एटा को एठी आन दो ठीक है। So that means we can say this is a minus x by x is equal to 1 by 4. After that कौन होगा, that is a by x minus 1 square टा दे पड़े कौन होगा, that is plus or minus 1 by 2 ठीक है। ओके, इटी डीटा वैल्यू छु प्लस और माइनस हाफ अलग अलग नबा, तो a by x minus 1 is equal to half, a by x minus 1 is equal to minus half ठीक है। तो that means a by x is equal to 1 by half plus 1, तो x is equal, that is 2a by 3 ठीक है। this is one value of x, एटा कितना हो, that is a by x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, तो x is equal to how much, that is 2a, तो गोटा हला 2a by 3, second is 2a, तो 2a possible नहीं, 2a means the distance कौन हो, the distance between them is a, 2a means बाहर है जो, तो एटा possible नहीं, तो आंसर is x is equal to 2a by 3। यदि x is equal to 2a by 3 रे यदि चार्ज q को रखिबा from 4e charge, then the system will be in equilibrium. Again I am saying, when the charge q is placed, that is 2a by 3 distance from 4e, the net force on this charge is 0 or it will be in equilibrium ठीक है। Before starting the next question, आमे गोटे छोटे कॉन्सेप्ट बुझिबा, that will be used ठीक है। आमे लास्ट क्वेश्चन रे करिथिले, तो we have taken two positive charges, this 4e and e. So as per the question, where the third charge q be placed in between the two charges such that the net force is 0 or the third charge in equilibrium, equilibrium को condition है वो जितना net force टा 0 हो, तो this charge repel in this direction repel charge q in this direction, and charge E repel the charge q in this direction. तो equilibrium condition कौन था? If the two forces are equal, they will cancel each other. Net force is 0 or the third charge is in equilibrium. So that means यदि equilibrium position for two positive charge बाहर करिबा तो it is in between the two charges. दीटा चार्ज मझिरे पॉइंट नबा, दीटा यदि पॉजिटिव चार्ज थिबो, take the third charge q in between the two charges. ए दीटा चार्ज मझिरे गोटे पॉइंट नबा. फॉर एग्जांपल एठी केतने आइतला x डिस्टेंस, एठी r डारो a minus x. ठीक अछि. तो if the two charges are unlike charges, गोटे पॉजिटिव थिबो आरटा नेगेटिव थिबो, गोटे पॉजिटिव आरटा नेगेटिव. इन दैट केस यदि आमे गोटे पॉइंट नबा इन बिटवीन द टू चार्जेस, तो लेट अस से दिस, तो ये आपको रिपल करे दिस डायरेक्शन. नेगेटिव चार्ज विल अट्रैक्ट दिस चार्ज इन सेम डायरेक्शन. तो दीटा को चार्ज यदि सेम डायरेक्शन आसिला, नेट फोर्स केबे भी जीरो होबो नाही. If the two charges are in same direction, net force केबे जीरो होबो नाही. तो we will not take the third charge in between the two charges. We'll take the third charge outside the this two charges along the line joining the two charges. यदि बाहर गोटे पॉइंट नबा तो negative charge will attract this charge in this direction. Positive charge will repel this charge in this direction. तो opposite direction force आसला. यदि opposite direction force आसला, आमे if the two forces are equal, तो net force टा जीरो ही पारिबो. तो equilibrium condition is F1 is equal to F2. ठीक अछि. That means जे दीटा पॉजिटिव थिबो, take the third charge in between the two charges for equilibrium condition. यदि गोटे पॉजिटिव गोटे नेगेटिव थियो, in that case take the third charge outside. एपडा नि आइछि तो you can ए साइड मध्ये हेले हबो. So take the third charge outside the two charges along the line joining the two. ठीक अछि. Okay. Question पढिबा. Two charges 4e and minus e are placed a distance apart. So that means in this question we are having two unlike charges, गोटे positive और गोटे negative. ठीक है. Locate where a third charge q be placed. Locate where the third charge q be placed so that it experience no net force. So that means in this question गोटे पॉजिटिव गोटे नेगेटिव. ठीक है. तो लेट अस से दिस इज 9e and this is minus e and distance between them is a. तो गोटे पॉजिटिव अछि गोटे नेगेटिव अछि. फॉर equilibrium position or to find a equilibrium position, तो we will take a point outside. तो हमें नबा बाहर गोटे पॉइंट. Let us say the third charge q be placed x distance from charge minus e. तो यदि minus a to q टा x distance होला, a to केते distance हबो, that is a plus x. ठीक अछि. Okay. तो 9e will repel the charge q in outward direction. कहेंगे this is positive, तो 9e will repel q in this direction. तो f1 ର मैग्नीट्यूड केते हबो 1/4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, q1 is 9e, q2 is q, distance is a plus x, तो a plus x रो होल स्क्वायर. तो f2 केते आसियो, So this is negative charge, this is positive. Negative charge will attract the positive charge towards itself. So Ft is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is E into Q divided by, this is distance is x. ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି magnitude ପକେଇଲି because direction ଏଇଠି ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି. Negative charge will attract the positive charge towards itself. तो direction एठी दे दीजिए, एठी खाली magnitude part टा लिख ली E, ठीक है. ओके, इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन कौन? that is F1 is equal to F2. that is कहते हैं वो 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. this is 9E into Q divided by A plus X whole square is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. this is E into Q divided by X square, ठीक है. this कटिला क्यू क्यू कट ई कट, ठीक है. तो एटी कौन हम 9 बाई ए प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर, ठीक है. तो वी कैन से दिस इज ए प्लस एक्स, एटा को एटी नहीं चाहिए, और दिस इज 9 बाई 1 इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एक्स होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई एक्स स्क्वायर, ठीक है. So we can say this is a plus x by x whole square is equal to 9. a plus x, sorry এটা কেমতে করতে হবে, a by x plus 1 এই স্কয়ারটাও সেপারেট নেই যে, তো কোন হবে প্লাস और माइनस 1, सॉरी प्लस और माइनस 3, ठीक है. ओके, प्लस ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ନବା, ମାଇନस ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ନବା, ठीक है. So that is a by x plus 1 is equal to plus 3. a by x plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So a by x is equal to 3 minus 1. So that is 2. So x is equal to a by 2. Okay, that is a by x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. So a by x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to a by minus 4. तो इटा नेगेटिव आछी, तो इटा को हमें कैंसिल कर दवा, ठीक है. तो दिस इज पॉजिटिव, दिस इज द आंसर. दैट मीन्स यदि x is how much, a by 2. यदि if you put the third charge q a by 2 distance from the negative charge minus e, और x charge यदि a पकेवा कौन होगा a by 2, तो कौन होगा, that is a plus a by 2, that is 3a by 2. यदि if you place the third charge q a by 2 distance from minus e or 3a by 2 distance from 9e, the net force on the third charge q is 0 or it is in equilibrium, ठीक है. Next question is, three equally charged small objects are placed as shown in the figure. This q q q a b c. The object A exert an electric force on object B equal to this much. What electric force C exert on B? What is the net electric force on B? ठीक है. So here three charges, this is Q, three charges each of magnitude Q are placed at point A, B, C. Or let the three objects are A, B, C and each having charges Q, Q, Q. ठीक है. The distance between this is A and B is 2 cm and this B and C is 1 cm. And the object A exert an electric force on object B. So let us say the force on object B due to A is how much it is given, so that is 3 into 10 to the power -6 न्यूटन। ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट इज व्हाट इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स C exert on B। C having charge Q B ऊपर केते फोर्स exert करूची, तो let us say this is FC। ठीक है। ओके, तो FA जो, तो that is equal to केते हेतियो दिस, ओके, तो FA केते हेतियो, that is 1/4 pi epsilon naught the two charges Q and Q, that is Q square, distance कहते हैं 2 cm, 2 into 10 to the power -2 the whole square, and its value is कहते हैं given is 3 into 10 to the power -6। okay, हेले FC कहते हैं force on charge B due to the charge C, तो दीटा को पॉजिटिव चार्ज या को रिपेल कर ए डायरेक्शन, डिस्टेंस केते 1 cm, 80 डिस्टेंस 2 cm थिला, 80 डिस्टेंस 1 cm, एंड 80 दीटा का चार्ज मैग्नीट्यूड q, 80 मध्ये दीटा का चार्ज मैग्नीट्यूड q, तो दैट इज fc केते 1/4 pi epsilon naught, दैट इज q into q, दैट इज q square, q into q लिख दो, डिवाइडेड बाय डिस्टेंस केते 1 into 10 to the power -2 रो होल स्क्वायर। तो यार वैल्यूटा जानी चाहिए, यार वैल्यू अननोन फाइंड करियो, तो लेट अस डिवाइड दिस बाय दिस। ठीक है, तो डिवाइड करले कौन होगा, दैट इज एफ सी बाय एफ ए कितना होगा, ओके, दैट इज 1/4 pi epsilon naught q square by 4 into 10 to the power -4, 4 into 10 to the power -4 divided by 1/4 pi epsilon naught, sorry fc टा 1 होची, सेटा 1 होगा, and this is fa, that is q square divided by 4 into 10 to the power -4। ठीक है, fc वैल्यू कितनी थी, सॉरी fa वैल्यू कितनी दी थी, दिस मच पुट कर दो एटी, तो fc by fa वैल्यू कितनी दी थी, दैट इज 3 into 10 to the power -6 is equal to 4 टा ऊपर पड़ा, दैट इज 4/1, तो fc कितना आसिला रे, fc is equal to 4 into 3 into 10 to the power -6, so that is 12 into 10 to the power -6, तो force on charge B due to C is, that is Fc is equal to 12 into 10 to the power -6 Newton। Okay, next question कौन कहूँ, what is the net force on B? net force कौन होगा, okay, net force जो बाहर करिबा, तो the two charges Fa and Fc are opposite in nature, the direction is opposite 180 degree, तो net force कौन होगा रे, F net on B कितना होगा, bigger force minus smaller force, तो Fc हमर थिला, that is sorry Fa थिला, that is 3 into 10 to the power -6, fc कितना आसला, दैट इज 12 into 10 to the -6, तो बिगर के fc, तो कितना हुआ बेटा, बिगर फोर्स माइनस स्मॉलर फोर्स, तो दैट इज 12 into 10 to the power -6 minus 3 into 10 to the power -6, that is how much, तो नेट फोर्स ऑन बी कितना होगा, that is 9 into 10 to the -6 Newton। Direction कौन हो, along the direction of bigger vector, that is along this direction, तो এটা लिखिए दो BA, along that is BA। ठीक है।